Hello, I am Siyuan Chen from the University of New South Wales, Australia. Thanks for the opportunity to allow me to present our work. This paper is about a new measure to effectively assess mental load. We call it multimodal coordination measure. The motivation is that the increasing interaction with devices every day demands more mental activities on user. Understanding user mental state is becoming more important. Our work focuses on mental load assessment, which can be used when tasks continuously change. We use physiological and behavior signals. They are often used as input modalities to activate system operations. Now, using mental state has emerged for the same purpose. In this work, we answer the question whether we can use the coordination information between different modalities to index the task load level. A little bit of background. As we want measures to be effective for different tasks, how do we categorize different tasks? The four-dimensional task load framework proposed 4 types of task load: cognitive, perceptual, communication, and physical load. Any task can be represented in terms of the load intensity for each load type. For example, if we plan to do something, then this task has a high cognitive load because of thinking. Perceptual load can be medium or low depending on how much visual information involved. Physical and communication load are low because of little body movement and speaking. The multimodal coordination measures are inspired by human motor coordination research. Optimal control theory explains how and why our body parts accurately coordinate, which is a solution of optimizing behavior. Regarding the coordination in brain, evidence shows that under high cognitive load, there is an increase of synchrony among EEG channels, which means more physiology and behaviors are activated at the same time. In this study, we focused on pupillary response, blink, saccade, speech, and head movement, and investigate how these 5 modalities are coordinated in different task load types and load levels. To get the proposed measures, we start from pupil size signal, head movement velocity signal, and speech signal. We convert the continuous signals to discrete events along time, as this figure shows. Next, we record the onset of each modality event along time. If 2 event onsets occur at the same time, it is a coordinated event. To compensate synchronization error resolution mismatch, we use a tolerance window, or events falling in this window is a coordinated event. Finally, we count the number of all distinct coordinated events as a measure. For example, the measure is 3 if we use the events scheme, and it is 4 if we consider tolerance window. We collected data from 24 participants with a wearable infrared webcam and IMU as shown in the second photo. They completed 4 task types with 2 load levels. Details can be found in our paper. The results are quite promising. This figure shows a coordination measure in y-axis, 2 load levels of each load type in x-axis. We find significantly fewer coordinated events occurred per second when task load is high than load is low. It is worth mentioning that the conclusion does not change with tolerance windows. Next question, which coordination type occur most frequently? We group the 5 modalities into voluntary and involuntary events, so there are 3 combinations. When we compare the percentage composition in 2 load levels, no significant differences. Therefore, coordination type cannot tell the difference in load levels. Regardless load type and level, the most frequent coordination type is the combination of voluntary with involuntary action. The percentage are significantly different to the chance level expectation. Some implications. When users interact with the world through different tasks, we can process and interpret their various behavior signals. One finding can be used here is that we can include more voluntary actions as they are not influenced by load level and can be easily coordinated. To know user task load level, we can use the proposed measure which shows good generalizability in 4 tasks. This study can also help system design in terms of choices for different sensors and modalities. Thank you for watching this video.